What's going on, guys? Gary Amon here, back at it again with a new video. Hope everybody's feeling safe and it's fine. Let's begin right away with unboxing this bad boy right here, the Sony FE24-105mm f4 GOSS lens. OSS stands for Optical Stabilization or something, not sure, but what I know is that it has some kind of built-in Optical Steadyshot. It says on the box itself, Optical Steadyshot, OSS. So that's cool, right? Little specifications here, but let's open it up together. Ooh. Ooh la la. Ooh. Okay, some warranty thingies there. Put that aside. All right. Looks like everything falls apart here. Ooh. It's a strange little unboxing experience, but okay. The lens hood. And I do like the. Ooh, I do like this little pouch here. Actually feels good. All right, here it is, guys. Bum bum bum. Ooh. Oh, oh. It's actually smaller than I actually thought. Alright, a little bit dust in here. Good. Right. Oh, that's a long extension. Alright, focus ring very smooth. A little bit too smooth, a little bit loose actually. But the zoom ring is quite nice. Has a little customized button here, and also the AF and MF switch, autofocus, manual focus switch, and the option to enable the optical steady shot on and off. Cool. It's actually looking really good. A lot of smudges here and there, so I'm gonna clean that up. Does it have any weather sealing gaskets? I think so. Yes, it has. Ooh. Looking very good. Actually, quite compact actually. Alright, let's switch this up. Let's see how f4 looks on this little unboxing video. What you're seeing now is the 24-105 f4 on f4, around 35-ish focal range. So how does it look? I think it looks okay. Let's see how it autofocus. Gonna put in something in front of my face. Whoop. Alright. Does it focus on this? And then back to my face. Hello. Nice to meet you. And back to the camera again. And hello. Here I am again. Good. Gonna show you some example first impression photos as well to see how it actually looks. And yeah, gonna test it out and see if it's any good or not. Also, maybe in the coming months doing a comparison with the new release Tamron 28-200, which is actually quite a good lens so far, what I've read about and seen on YouTube. So I think that will be a great competitor to this one. And yeah, full review will come in a couple of weeks, so make sure to subscribe to the channel and make sure just to like the video and comment down below what do you want to see from this lens. Alright, I think that's all, guys. Thank you again for watching. Subscribe if not already, like the video, comment down below what do you think about this lens. Do you have it? Do you own it already? And I'll be seeing you in the next one. Stay safe, stay healthy, good luck.